Hi, and welcome back to Data Tech. This is another video that will talk about data transformation using Pandas. In this video, I will show you how to add a new column to your data frame, then I'll show you how to rename your column, and then finally I will show you how to delete a column from your data frame. But first, let's take a quick look to the data frame that I will be using in this example. The data frame name is DF. And here I'm going to show the first 10 rows of this data frame. Here are the names of the columns. What I'm going to do here is to add a new column, and I'm going to copy or duplicate the values of the brand column into the new column that I'm going to add. Alright, so to add a new column, what I will need to do is to define the data frame name, and then between square brackets I'm going to declare the name or the new column name inside this bracket. For the naming convention, I'm going to use new underscore column and then equal to df, and then between square brackets I'm going to define the column that I would like to duplicate. In our case, I'm going to duplicate the brand column. That's why I put between the square brackets the brand name of this column. Alright, once I run this, you'll be able to see that a new column is being created and the values are duplicated or copied inside this column. Alright, what if I want to rename this to give it more meaningful name? To do so, I'm going to show you here how to rename your column in your data frame. To do so, I'm going to create a new data frame and I'm gonna call it renew underscore col, which stands for column, and equal to the data frame, which is this one, df dot rename, which is a function that will allow me to rename a column. This first parameter is going to help me to rename the old column name, which is new underscore column, and assign it to the new column name that I want to change to. Alright, in this case, I'm going to change new underscore column to brand underscore name. And here I'm going to display the first 4 rows or observations of this data frame. As you can see here, the new underscore column is changed to brand underscore name with the same values. Now you know how to rename your column. Alright, so what if I want to delete a column from this data frame? Let's say I want to delete this column right here. To do so, what I'm going to do is to bring the name of this data frame, and I'm going to use this method which will allow me to remove basically .pop. It's a method that will allow me to remove an element at a specific position. In this case, I'm going to remove this column. That's why between parentheses I'm putting this column name. Once I run this, you'll be able to see that this column is not in the data frame anymore. Alright, now you know how to add a new column to your data frame, how to rename your column, and finally how to delete a column. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.